Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create moving sticker in the CapCut PC. So first you can select your videos or photos that you want to edit, for example, and select sticker that you like. But I'm going to change the video and I'm going to add the sticker, add to the right. So to make the moving sticker, you're just going to select the keyframe button, add, and swipe to the right. And just for the position of the sticker, and do as before, swipe to the right just for the position and size of the sticker. Right until the end of the clip. Alright, here we go. This is the final effect you have. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.